Hello everyone, this is your tutor AB and today we're going to be solving an IB Physics HL problem from the May 2017 examinations. This is a paper 1 question and it's question 19 on the test. It's HL. So let's get started. The question is, the center of the earth is separated from the center of the moon by a distance d. Point P lies on a line joining the center of the earth and the center of the moon, a distance x from the center of the earth. The gravitational field strength at P is 0. Now, the whole trick to this problem lies with this statement right at the end. Essentially, what it's alluding to is that we need to equate two equations for the point P, the gravitational field strengths due to the earth and due to the moon at point P, and equate them together because at both gravitational field strength at this point will cancel out and be 0, so we can equate them. They'll be equal to each other. So let's start. So we can say the gravitational field strength from earth, right, from E at P is G is equal to Gm over x square. Okay, and from the moon we can say again G, and notice this G and this G is the same. G is just equal to 0. So matter of fact, let me erase this and put 0 in replacement. 0 is equal to, from the moon, the gravitational constant G over the mass of the moon, m over mm, we can call that the variable for the mass of the moon, over, and what's the radius from the center of the moon? Well, we know that the total distance is d and the distance from earth to the point P is x, so this distance right there must be d minus x, right? So we can say this is d minus x whole square. Notice how they both equal the same thing, so let's equate them together. So we say gm over x square is equal to gmm for the mass of the moon over d minus x whole square, and we want to get the mass of the moon over the mass of the earth, so let's just put that into this question. So let's cross multiply. So we would get, let's start from here, actually no, better off we just go downwards. We will get d minus x whole square gm is equal to x square. Actually no, we don't need to move x square. Gmm, okay, because we cross multiplied and x square is still at the bottom. Now we need to bring this gm to the other side, so we simply divide it. So we get d minus x whole square over x square is equal to gmm over gm. G and G cancel. So the ratio of the mass of the moon to the mass of the earth is d minus x whole square over x square. That's our final answer, which is